what's going on, you guys. Right now I'm on top of the Rideau River, heading towards the nearest Walmart in Ottawa, and on my left you'll see this barrier here. That means this is the LRT line, and underneath me there's a bike trail now. Basically goes around Ottawa. So that's the LRT. I'm heading towards the Hurdman Station from Lee Station, and that's the Lee Station area where the high rises. You don't see it much, and the sun is about to set in like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So yeah, I left home late, walked to Walmart, and by the time I come back it'll be dark. Like it'll be dark. So I'm passing the Hurdman Station now. You see the sign for the station at the back, the O sign there. That's like means the O train or something. But yeah, I'm on like a trail. I'm on a trail myself now. Bikes are heading the other way. Sun is setting, but I'm in this one. Like I said, by the time I come back, it'll be dark. And I'll come back the same way, basically. So I've passed the Hurdman Station, and you can see the sky behind me, right? It's getting dark. Walmart's still like 10-15 minutes away, if you're walking, that is. But I'll make it, and I'll come back the same way. This is a Government of Canada building, 395 Terminal Avenue. See, it says Government of Canada. They also have a flagpole here. They have the flag of Canada right there. But let's go to Walmart. Walmart isn't far away. It's right up there, like 5-minute walk. We're right up that way. So I've done what I was supposed to do in Walmart, and I'm out of here, heading home. Okay, so that's the moon, but my camera doesn't have a good resolution here, so you guys can't really see much of it. And let me head back home. Oh, this is dark here. No lights, nothing in the trail. So that's gonna be interesting. So yeah, I'm back in the trail here, and there's no lights here. So, and it's dark. It'll still get me like 15 minutes to get home. Hopefully nobody jumps me. So this is the Hurdman Station, and it's looking really nice with the lights and everything. Actually, I was wrong. There are lights on the trail here, at least around the Hurdman Station area, for sure. So this is the rail line right next to the trail, and there's the river, the Rideau River. Rail line, trail, and the river. Looks beautiful, right? Especially at this time. Look at this. That's a reflection of all the buildings up there. Very nice. So yeah, that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and yeah, if you guys like my material, like this video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Big Z out.